Great advice about learning how to make money online that anyone can easily follow. There are so many ways that you can earn money that it is no surprise that earning money online has become so popular. Over the years, the number of online businesses and entrepreneurs looking for work has greatly increased. You can easily get started working online by viewing the great tips below. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. Determine how much value your time has before you begin working online. How much can you make before you're losing money? If you do not mind working for a lower wage, you will never raise your earnings. You will be seen as substandard in your work, and that is how you will be paid. Begin a blog. Setting up and maintaining a blog is a great way to earn money online. By setting up an AdSense account, you can earn money for each click that you receive from your blog. Although these clicks often get you only a few cents, you can earn some hard cash with proper marketing. Join a focus group if you want to make some money on the side. These groups gather together from an internet hub at a physical location where they will talk about a new product or service that is out on the market. Generally, these groups will gather in very big cities near you. Working online has never been easier. All you need is the right advice on hand, and you will see that earning the extra money you have been missing is not as hard as you may think. Just use everything you've just learned and keep watching for more online advice to ensure you earn more money. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.